6 intriguing questions to ask women for meaningful conversations. In the intricate dance of human interaction, conversations serve as the vibrant threads that weave the fabric of our relationships. Whether it's forging new connections or nurturing existing ones, engaging in meaningful dialogue is essential. For those seeking to deepen their understanding and connection with women, the art of asking insightful questions is paramount. In this exploration, we delve into 6 thought-provoking inquiries designed to spark engaging and meaningful conversations with women. These questions transcend the mundane and invite exploration into the depths of personality, values, and experiences. From introspective reflections to shared anecdotes, each query serves as a gateway to connection and understanding. What are the pivotal moments that shaped your journey? Within the complex and intricate tapestry of existence, each individual's journey unfolds as a vibrant mosaic, woven with threads of profound moments that shape, challenge, and ultimately transform. Engaging in discussions about the pivotal junctures that have left an indelible mark on her path serves as a doorway to introspection and revelation. It beckons her to embark on a reflective voyage through time, retracing the contours of her experiences and unearthing the pearls of wisdom they hold. From moments of triumph that testify to her resilience, to the crucibles of adversity that forge her spirit, each narrative reveals layers of strength, growth, and wisdom. Whether she is navigating through formidable challenges, seizing serendipitous opportunities, or cultivating deep connections, these pivotal moments radiate as guiding beacons, illuminating the very essence of her being. Through such exploratory conversations, the mundane is transcended, and dialogues become transformative odysseys into the intricate tapestry of her soul. As we unravel the intricate threads of her narrative, we discover the kaleidoscope of experiences that define her, forging connections that resonate deeply and fostering a deeper appreciation for the richness and complexity of her journey. Transitioning from reflections on pivotal life moments, we delve into introspective territory by inviting her to envision conversations with her younger self, fostering a deeper understanding of her evolving perspectives and values. If you could have a conversation with your younger self, what advice would you offer? As we navigate the winding passages of time, we are bestowed with the invaluable gift of hindsight, a radiant prism through which the veiled mysteries of the past are bathed in newfound clarity. Engaging in a dialogue with her younger self transcends the realm of mere reminiscence. It emerges as an odyssey of profound introspection and self-discovery. Encouraging her to embark on this introspective journey beckons forth a profound exploration of the wisdom she would tenderly impart, the fears she would bravely assuage, and the dreams she would fervently nurture. Through this sacred voyage, she unfurls the intricate map of her inner landscape, offering glimpses into the bedrock of her values, the soaring heights of her aspirations, and the resounding echoes of her boundless dreams. Within this sanctified dialogue, the tapestry of her past gracefully intertwines with the fabric of her present, casting a luminous glow upon the path towards self-awareness and personal evolution. As we delve into this realm of profound introspection, conversations transcend the shackles of time, transmuting into vessels for profound self-discovery and understanding. In unraveling the enigmatic threads of her inner narrative, we embark on a transformative journey, forging connections that resonate deeply and illuminating the pathway towards authentic self-expression and growth. From the realm of personal introspection, we pivot towards exploring her passions and causes, bridging the gap between individual experiences and broader societal concerns, thus highlighting the interconnectedness of personal values with larger societal issues. What are the passions or causes that ignite your soul? Passion, that primal energy coursing through the veins of our existence, serves as the fervent flame igniting the fires of purpose within us. It is the magnetic force that propels us towards endeavors imbued with profound meaning and fosters connections that resonate deeply within the recesses of our souls. As we delve into the realm of her passions or causes, we unearth reservoirs overflowing with inspiration and unwavering conviction, infusing vitality into the very fabric of her being. Whether she stands as a fervent advocate for social justice, a stalwart champion of environmental sustainability, or a visionary artist channeling her creativity, her passions unveil the raw essence of her values, the sacred sanctity of her priorities, and the lofty heights of her aspirations. Through this exchange, a rich tapestry of understanding is woven, cultivating a profound appreciation for the unique essence that defines her, and the causes that resonate with the depths of her soul. It is within these hallowed dialogues that the true depths of her character are laid bare, illuminating the path towards mutual respect, admiration, and a shared commitment to purpose. With each exchange, bridges of understanding are fortified, forging bonds that transcend the boundaries of mere acquaintance and beckoning forth a harmonious symphony of collective purpose and shared destiny. As we navigate the delicate balance between ambition and self-care, we transition towards a discussion on the influences that shape her perspective, bridging the gap between personal experiences and external sources of inspiration that mold her worldview. How do you navigate the balance between ambition and self-care? Within the labyrinth of pursuing goals and aspirations lies the intricate dance of maintaining equilibrium between ambition and self-care, a delicate balance often teetering on the edge of challenge. Engaging her in discourse about this equilibrium offers a window into the nuanced realms of resilience, well-being, and personal fulfillment. Encourage her to peer into her own soul, to reflect on the methodologies she employs in nurturing both her professional ambitions and her holistic well-being. Whether it be the practice of mindfulness or the art of setting boundaries, each insight unravels a facet of her approach to self-care and personal evolution. In navigating this delicate balance, she unveils the multidimensional layers of her journey towards fulfillment and authenticity, weaving a narrative rich in the tapestry of human experience. It is through these conversations that the contours of her resilience and the essence of her authenticity are laid bare, paving the path towards a harmonious fusion of ambition and self-nurturing. From reflecting on transformative experiences, we seamlessly transition into envisioning ways to make a positive impact in the world, bridging the gap between individual aspirations and collective efforts towards creating a brighter future for all. What is a book, movie, or experience that profoundly impacted your perspective? In the grand tapestry of life, we traverse pathways adorned with moments of profound resonance, etching indelible imprints upon the canvas of our consciousness. Inviting her to unfurl the pages of her experiences by sharing a book, movie, or transformative journey that has left an enduring mark, we embark on a voyage into the realms of inspiration and metamorphosis. Whether she unveils a captivating novel that ignited the flames of her imagination, a cinematic masterpiece that challenged the boundaries of her worldview, or a transformative odyssey that sculpted her beliefs, each narrative serves as a window into the depths of her intellectual curiosity, the expanses of her empathy, and the steadfastness of her resilience. Through this exchange, a kaleidoscope of understanding unfolds, illuminating the influences that have sculpted the contours of her perspective and worldview. It is within these shared narratives that the essence of her being is unveiled, fostering a deeper connection rooted in mutual appreciation and shared experiences. As we delve into the intricacies of her chosen stories, we traverse landscapes rich in emotion and revelation, weaving together the threads of our shared humanity. In this intimate exchange, barriers dissolve and bridges are built, forging bonds that transcend the limitations of time and space. Each tale shared becomes a sacred offering, enriching the tapestry of our collective consciousness and deepening the reservoirs of empathy and understanding that bind us together. In crafting these questions to spark meaningful conversations, we weave a narrative thread that connects the intricacies of personal growth, shared values, and collective aspirations, fostering a deeper understanding and connection with the women in our lives. How do you envision making a positive impact in the world? As sentient beings, we possess the remarkable ability to shape destinies, affecting change that resonates both on individual and collective levels. By delving into her vision for effecting positive change in the world, we embark on a shared odyssey of ideals and aspirations. Encourage her to articulate the values, passions, and aspirations that drive her quest for a more equitable, compassionate, and sustainable world. Whether she envisions fostering community empowerment, amplifying the voices of the marginalized, or pioneering innovative solutions to global challenges, her vision serves as a beacon illuminating the contours of her purpose and potential. Through this dialogue, bridges of understanding are forged, rooted in shared values and a collective commitment to sculpting a brighter future for all. It is within these shared dreams and aspirations that the seeds of collaboration are sown, germinating into actions that ripple across the fabric of humanity, fostering transformation and leaving an indelible legacy of positive change. In conclusion, meaningful conversations serve as the cornerstone of authentic connection and understanding. By asking insightful questions that delve beyond the surface, you create space for exploration, empathy, and mutual growth. Whether it's unraveling the tapestry of her journey, exploring her passions and aspirations, or envisioning a better world, each question serves as a catalyst for profound dialogue and connection. So, let us embark on this journey of discovery, one question at a time, as we unlock the richness of human experience and forge deeper connections with the women in our lives. Join our community of passionate individuals. Like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more engaging content that sparks meaningful conversations and fosters connection. Together, let's embark on a journey of discovery and growth. Don't miss out, join us today.